FastPeopleSearch Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're trying to locate someone or verify contact information, FastPeopleSearch is often recommended, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's free or provides full reports at no cost. The surprising truth is that FastPeopleSearch is free for basic searches but charges for detailed reports. A standard search for phone numbers, addresses, or emails is free, but background checks, court records, and full contact histories may cost per report. Subscriptions for frequent users can range from monthly. Payment is one-time or recurring depending on the plans selected. What you get: quick access to publicly available information, verified contact details, and optional in-depth reports. What you give up: some data is only accessible via paid reports, and accuracy depends on public record availability. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Conduct a free search to see if basic info meets your needs. Step 2. Decide if a paid report is necessary for deeper verification. Step 3. Compare one-time purchases versus subscription options for long-term use. Step 4. Always cross-check important information for accuracy. You won't believe what happens next if you rely solely on free searches. Crucial details may be missing, potentially leading to incomplete results. The surprising truth is that small payments unlock comprehensive data that saves time and effort. In conclusion, FastPeopleSearch provides free and paid services tailored to your research needs. By understanding pricing and available information, you can choose the right option to get reliable results without overspending.